friends that we were talking about writing. Friends that do you get angry with your friends and you want to fight with them? Friends, you want to fight with them? Friends, you want to fight with them? Then friends, please don't fight with them. Yes, please don't fight them because friends fighting will create problems. Yes, fighting will create problems. I will say that please come come back your house and enter your study room and sit on your study chair and take your pen, take your notebook and start thinking that why do you get angry with them and why do you hate with them. Friends, you know, then you start writing. Friends, and you have to write 10 sentences and 20 sentences. And you can notice that after writing 20 sentences and 10 sentences, you feel relaxed, you feel happy, you will feel happy, you feel notice. So this is very important. You feel, friends, because the we have maximum fluency in our written communication because we are able to think in to write. So this is very important. So friends, here I make friends here I made you 2 points for writing. Friends, if you want to really want to improve your English, if you want to improve your writing skills, then you can follow this way and you can follow this point. Now friends, I am moving on our next pillar of language, which is called, friends, listening. Listening is the most important player. Yes, listening is the most important player, friends. You know when whenever we listen, whenever we listen and we often make mistakes. Yes, we often make mistakes that somebody is speaking in English language and we start we start translating it into our mother tongue to understand. We start translating, but friends, I will say, please stop doing that from today. Please stop doing that from today, friends, because don't translate, friends, because we do not need to translated version. We have to understand only English to English. Yes, we have to understand only English to English. So don't translate it into your mother tongue, friends. No, this is very important. So please don't translate. you know Not only you, everybody do this. Everyone do this. Everyone does this. Not only you, all of us do this. So please don't do this. And friend, this is the very important. Friends, why I am suggesting you that you should start listening. And friends, because listening and reading, these two things are called foundation for improvement. These are called foundation for language because, friends, these are the most important pillar of any language. Yes, this is the most important parts of language. Friends, most important parts of language. Friends, this is very important. Friends, that listening will give you correctness. Listening will give you improvement. Listening will give you pronunciation. Listening will give you vocabs. So listening is very important for you, for your improvement, friends. But many students, then they start listening and, friends, they jump watching English movies, they jump listening podcast. But friends, You never jump watching movies, you never jump listening podcast, friends. You never jump, friends. You always start your listening journey with watching cartoons, watching stories, kids stories. You can start your journey because, friends, they use simple language in their program. Yes, they use simple language in their program because you are able to understand easily. But if you watch movies and if you watch podcast, friends, you can't, friends, you can't, friends, you can't improve yourself. Yes, you can't improve yourself, friends, because they use difficult language. Yes, they use advanced labor. They use advanced language in their program. They use advanced word in their program because you are not able to understand all these words. But friends, if you watching podcast, if you watching movies, you are not going to improve, friends. I will suggest start your listening journey. Start your listening journey with watching kids cartoon, kids stories. You can easily improve. But after listening 1 month and 2 months and 3 months, you can jump watching movies. You can jump watching podcast because you have experience, friends. You have experience of listening. You have somewhat vocabs, so you can easily understand. So this is all information about me. Now, friends, I will say I make you top points for listening, and friends, you can follow it. Now, friends, I am going to talk about our next pillar of language, which is called speaking. Yes, speaking. Speaking is also most important pillar of language, friends. There are so many people, they know grammar. There are so many people, they know vocabs. They are good at grammar, but friends, they are not able to speak English language. Yes, they are not able to speak English because they never try to speak in English language. So that's why they are not able to speak English language, friends. They are not able to speak English language, friends, because they are waiting for perfection to come. Yes, they think once I become perfect, then I will start speaking. Friends, don't think like this. Please don't think like that, friends. Start your speaking journey whichever you formed. If you make mistakes, don't worry, friends. Make 100 mistakes, make thousands mistakes, but please make some mistakes. Please try to speak English language, friends. If you speak wrong English, no problems, friends. Friends, it is not matter that how many mistakes are you doing in. It is not matter, friends. It is matter that you are speaking English. Yes, it is matter you are speaking English. So this is very important, friends. Yes, this is very important. It is matter that you are speaking, friends. And friends, this is very important. It is matter. And friends, it is matter that you are speaking. Friends, friends, don't wait for perfection to come. Friends, nobody will help you in this case. You, friends, nobody help you, friends. I can't say please go to the medical shop and buy 10 tablets one morning, one evening, after 10 days, good English, friends. But remember, there is no such tablet in the market, friends. There is only one tablet, work hard. Are you willing to work hard? Friends, you can improve. Friends, but one question arises here that how will you start your speaking and how will you practice of your speaking, friends? Friends, if you have friends, practice with him. Good to practice with friend. But if you do not have friends, please don't worry. Friends, you know, you have a good friend than your cell phone. You have you have a good friend than your cell phone. You have a good friend than your real friends, because you have your a cell phone. You always have your cell phone, friends. So please use it and learn, friends. Friends, your real friend might run away and he is going to start that I do not want to listen English. Yes, I do not want to listen to English. They say I do not want to learn English language. He might be, but your cell phone does not run away. You always have your cell phone. Please use it and learn. Friends, if you speak in front of people, if you speak with your friends, you feel shy, you feel nervous, you feel hesitate. So please don't speak with people. Friends, speak to yourself. Friends, record yourself and see yourself how you are look, and identify your mistakes that after recording yourself. And friends, I have trained no supervisions. Friends, I had no teacher who guided me, who pointed out my mistakes. Even this time, I do not have my any teacher who guided me, who pointed out my mistakes. Friends, I am learning English with myself. Yes, I am learning English with myself. Friends, you know, have you seen that people playing chess with themselves? Have you seen people playing chess with themselves? Have you seen, friends? Have you seen people playing with themselves? Friends, they take white corn and they go there, then they take black corn, again they come here. Friends, again they come here. Friends, you can you can practice English like this way. You can talk to yourself, but talk in English. So this is very important, friends. So speaking comes only by speaking. Please keep in mind, speaking comes by only speaking. Friends, if you do not speak, you can't learn how to speak. So this is the game of practice. So friends, have you read Bhagavad Gita? Yes. Have you read Bhagavad Gita? You will say, yes, sir, we had read Bhagavad Gita. Friends, do you know that what did Krishna says in our Bhagavad Gita? Friends, Krishna says that whatever you do, you must do it efficiently. That, friends, it is come to impacts. Friends, come to impacts, then learn efficiently. Friends, it is going to make your life. Friends, it is going to make you successful. So this is very important. Friends, Friends, Indian art tradition. Friends, in our tradition, we have something called mantra. Do you know the meaning of mantra, friends? Mantra means that we have to speak one word at least 100 times and 200 times. This is called mantra. Friends, what is your mantra? Your mantra is English speaking. Your mantra is English speaking. Friends, as soon as get up early in the morning, and friends, you do puja and you do bathing and all, please do all these things only English. Can you do that? You will say, yes sir, we can do that. If you can do that, it means that you can improve your English. You can learn English easily. Suppose friends, if you do not practice one day, please don't sleep on that day. Please don't eat on that day. Can you have motivation like this? Can you have motivation? Friends, so this is very important. There are so many people start telling that telling, sir, you are impacting on us. We do not need to learn English language. Friends, we are going to home happily. But friends, after 10 years and 5 years, you will get regret. Your regret can be lifetime. Friends, after 5 years, after 10 years, you will think you should have learned English language. So please don't feel regret. Please learn this. And this is called ability. Yes, this is called ability. Friends, if I say, friends, this is called Indian ability. Friends, somebody asks you the time that somebody asks you the time and you start counting, and it means you don't know numbers in that language. You have to start from one. Friends, somebody asks you the what is the political situation in your city. Somebody asks you that what is the political situation in your city. Friends, you will say, I will tell you after 1 month. That means, friends, that means it not means that you don't know. It means you do not have language. Your ideas are wonderful, your thoughts are wonderful, but your language is bad. So please understand, please learn this. And friends, if I say if you if I say you speak in your mother tongue, you can speak very well in fluent manner. But if I say you speak English language, you can't speak. You can't speak because you always speak in your mother tongue. So you are speaking English language. Friends, mother tongue, everyone can speak in a better way. Yes, mother tongue, anybody can speak in a better way. Friends, because French speak better, French Germans speak better Germans. Indian, we speak English language. At least we speak English language. Are you Indians or not? You will say, yes sir, we all are Indian. Why are you asking this? We all are Indian. Because it is not, friends, don't say you are Indian. Friends, show the quality of being Indian. Yes, show the quality of being Indian. Whole world says that Indians are very intelligent. Yes, whole world says that Indians are very intelligent. But remember, whole world also tells us that Indians are very lazy. We do not have anything, but we don't practice anything. Yes, we don't practice anything. Whole world says. So please don't be like that. Friends, don't be like that. Friends, speak comes only by speaking. Please remember. Now friends, I told you that how will you learn English language, and now I'm going to talk about the most important topic of our life. It is most important. This is called education. Friends, first of all, I want to tell you the importance of education. Friends, if you are not educated, means that you are not able to pay your bills, you are not able to feed your family, you are not able to help the society, even you are not able to fulfill your dreams. So this is very important, friends. But before starting this video, I want to ask you that please tell me, what do you understand by education? Please tell me, what do you know by the education? And what is the meaning of education? Please tell me. Please give me your answer. Please. You will say getting knowledge means education. Yes, you will say getting knowledge means education. But friends, it is not complete meaning of education. Yes, it is not complete meaning of education. Friends, I will tell you the meaning of education in this class. Friends, education is not think that you think. Yes, education is not think that you think. Friends, education is something that makes you yourself. Education is something that could help you, and education education is something that could provide you a way to achieve something and to be successful in your life. And so obvious answer, I told you the what is education. Friends, education is the most important thing for all of us. Friends, so it is most important points for all of us. Friends, it is most important points for all of us. Friends, so this is very important. Friends, in case, friends, you want to earn money, and in case you want to change the social outlooks, and you change the, friends, mentality of a person, and friends, you want to, friends, earn money and to have luxurious life and to have certain freedom in your family. Friends, we can see that education is everywhere. Yes, we can see education is everywhere. Friends, so this is very important. Friends, if you are educated, you can fight against education. Friends, whatever discrimination we all are facing in today's time, are you able to change that without education? Friends, obvious answer is no. For sure, education is the most important thing. Yes, education is the most important thing. Friends, so this is very important. Suppose a person who is here, and friends, who is educated, but friends, he is not morally educated. Friends, he is not morally educated. Friends, but he is he's come down to earth. He's come down to earth. He's come down to earth. He is empathetic about a person's situation. He is empathetic about a person's situation. He's come down to earth. Friends, friends, that kind of person would be more favorable in the society. Yes, that kind of person would be more favorable. That kind of person would be more favorable in the society. Friends, we want such kind of people. Friends, yes, we want such kind of people. Friends, we do not want such kind of people who is making money, who is printing money, who is always thinking about money. Friends, we do not want such kind of people. Friends, we want educated from his mind, from his soul, from his behavior. Yes, we want. This is very important. So this is very important. Please understand. Please understand. And so education is the most important. Friends, if you think that you are not morally educated, yes, if you think that you are not morally educated, and but when you start realizing on your mistakes, yes, when you start realizing on your mistakes, friends, and friends, and you can go for it and do such activities and indulge in your personality. Yes, indulge your personality. Friends, first of all, think that what are the what are the what what are the qualities actually, what are the qualities actually you do not have. Please think, what are the qualities? So this is very important, friends. A person who is educated, and he has potential to bring the society, he has potential to change the society. Friends friends education does not teach you that you are educated and you always thinking to printing money, you always thinking to making money. Friends, education does not teach you. Friends, education teaches you that you are educated. Yes, you are educated and you have potential to change the society. And friends, see that what society actually want from you, and what is the need today's time. Please see, friends, what is the need today's time. So this is very important. Friends, education teaches you that how to be disciplined and how to be a good human being and how to behave with society. So this education teaches you. Friends, with education we learn how to read, how to write, and how to speak in a properly. We learn so many things. Friends, education builds our character, and friends, it help us to grow in our life, and friends, it make us able to earn money and to stand on our feet. And we are able to feed our family, we are able to fulfill our dreams because of education. So this is very important. Friends, someone said rightly that a person who is not educated, it means who looks as an animal, who behaves as an animal, and because he is not able to think in a better way, because he can't make good decision for his life than a literate person. Friends, so this is very important. Friends, none of them, none of them, yes, I am talking about Mr. Chanakya. Friends, Mr. Chanakya said that a person who is not educated, it means who looks as an animal, who behaves as an animal. Who said? Chanakya said. Friends, so please understand. Please understand who said animal. Friends, who said? Understand. Who said? And friends, so this is very important. Friends, you know, friends, you are educated, and you are educated, you can participate in governments. Yes, you can participate in governments directly and indirectly, but you are not educated. Friends, you can't participate in government indirectly or indirectly. Friends, it is very important. Friends, you know friends, you know you can see in present time that there are so many countries, they are providing free education for its citizens, for their citizens, because they want to make their citizens educated. Yes, they want to make their citizens educated. Friends, so this is very important. Educated. Friends, this is very important. They make. Friends, this is very important. And friends, they make their citizens educated. Like you can see that India is also providing free education for its citizens because it wants make its citizens educated. Friends, in India you can get free education from first to 12th class. Yes, you can get free education. So this is very important. Friends, it is not matter that someone is rich or poor. It is not matter, friends, because everyone has right to get education. Yes, everyone has right to get education. Yes, everyone has right to get education. This is very important. So friends, this is very important. This is very important. Friends, this right is given by our constitution. Our constitution gives this right to us to get education. Friends, in our constitution, you know in our constitution, article 14, friends, which talk about gender equality. Yes, which talks about gender equality. Friends, that means that everybody is equal before the law. Yes, that means everybody is equal before the law. Friends, in the name of this gender equality, in the name of this equality, friends, why we didn't even wonder, friends, why always men are the reasons all these crimes? Is not that concerning, guys? Yes, it's not that concerning, guys. Friends, is not that concerning, guys. Friends, no, we always talk about women equality. Yes, we always talk about women equality. Friends, can we just talk about this topic, men equality? Yeah, can we just talk about this topic, men equality, which is which is friends, women equality as important as others, but can we just talk about men equality? Friends, can we just give few seconds of our life for this topic, men equality? Can we just talk about for this topic, friends? Yes, we can legally about this topic. Yes, we can legally about this topic, friends. We can legally about this topic. This is very important, friends. We can legally about this topic. Friends, I am here at Nice Talk English Institute, and friends, I am here to purpose to make you aware and tell you the incident of the society. Friends, there are so many problems in our society, our existence, but one of them, this is gender equality. Friends, it is good to have equal rights, it is good to have equal opportunities, but friends, it is not always 50-50. Yes, it is not always 50-50. Friends, someone has beautifully coded. Yes, someone has beautifully coded that मर्द को कभी दर्द नहीं होता. I hope you guys heard this quotation many times. Friends, why is it so? Why is it so? Why we have built up these typical notions that men don't have emotion, men don't have crime, men don't have emotion, men don't have feelings, men can't be fragile. Friends, why we have built up these typical notions? Friends, why? This is the harsh reality of our society. Yes, friends, someone comes up and dare to little would cry and dare to little would show up his feeling, show up his fear. You know, millions of mouth are always ready to say that they are weak, he's loser, his failures. Millions of mouth are always ready to say these lines. Millions of mouth, friends. Friends, we have built up these typical notions. We have believed that men don't have emotion, men don't have feelings. Sir, and excuse me, sir, you don't have emotion, you don't have feelings. And this is the harsh reality of our society. So please don't be like that, friends. Friends, as I told you before that it is good to have equal rights, it is good to have equal opportunities, but friends, it is not always 50-50. Friends, sometime it could be 30-70, sometime it could be 40-60, sometime it could be 90-10. Don't you guys believe me? I am telling the reason. Friends, you have your father at your home, right? Friends, your father, friends, friends, in the morning when you were coming here, did you ask your father and tell him what you actually feel for him from inside? Did you ever express your feeling to him? Obvious answer is not. But friends, thank you for telling me, but this is not your fault. Yes, this is not your fault. Friends, the fault lies in the society. Yes, the fault lies in the society. Friends, this is very important. You know, our father who is working day or night, yes, who is working day or night to earn money, to provide nourishment to his family and to his children, to his every person of the society. But friends, you know, he has zero acceptation from any of us. Yes, he has zero acceptation from any of us because we are not giving anything. Yes, we are not giving anything. Friends, no, there is no person who comes up and who try to share his feelings with his father and say, papa or my dad, you really matters to us, you really matters to us. There is no one. And you know, a person, a person who gives a commitment to a girl, yes, who gives a commitment to a girl, friends, if he fails to fulfill it, his commitment, if he fails to fulfill his commitment, he could be sentenced to jail in the rape case. Yes, he could be sentenced to jail in the rape case. Friends, yes, but there is not even single constitutional law. Yes, there is not even single constitutional law made for women that if she fails to fulfill his commitment, fulfill her commitment, there could be certain action would be taken. There is not law of constitution, friends. So this is very important. You know, friends, you know, friends, it is always seen in household especially. Yes, it is always seen in household especially. You know, whenever a child leaves a home, friends, like I left my home for the purpose of my college, and friends, I went to hostel, and friends, and a single dialogue every father says, या सिंगल डायलॉग एवरी फादर सेज, मम्मी को कॉल करते रहना, मम्मी को कॉल करते रहना, बिकॉज ही ऑलरेडी नोज, he believes, he has friends that my child is not going to call me, my child is going to call her mother and him mother, because He has zero expectation from any of us because we are not giving anything. Yes, we are not giving anything. Friends, yes, we are not giving anything. Friends, so please understand, we are not giving anything. We are not giving anything. Friends, you know, friends, man, man dies each day. Yes, man dies each day, each and every day. Yes, friends, are due to the facts that they are the victim of untold stories, unheard feelings, unspoken words, and so many mental pressure, physical pressure, economy pressure, child pressure, marriage pressure, everything. The burden lies on him like this. Still, we are ignoring, still, we are thinking that man would be reject always. Friends, man would be reject always. Friends, we can imagine a life of women. Friends, she's living good life and friends with her family, with her children, and friends, she is not working. But friends, but we would not imagine a life of man without having work, without having work, without without being worker, without having job, without having this pressure. We cannot imagine because it is always said that if you don't work, if you don't earn, there is not a scope in your life. Friends, you would not have your family, you would not have you would not have your children. It is always says. So we could not imagine a life of man. So please, friends, but friends, 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 how would you consider it? Yes, how would you consider it, friends? So many people would consider it as an social issues, but I will say don't consider don't consider consider don't consider it is an issue. Don't consider it is an issue, friends. Consider it is an motivation. Consider it is an opportunity that yeah, this is the thing that I really want to change of the society. Not why alone, we have to change this society. This we have to change this thing from society together. We have to change this society together. So please, friends, you cannot compare this problem with social problems. You know problems comes in our life and we are the one how to deal with it. you know for a child, in his school, do you know what is the biggest problem for him, friends? If he does not complete his homework, friends, it is the biggest problem for him. But we cannot compare this problem with society problems. So this is very important. Friends, in the last video I will say only one thing: not all men are wrong and not all women are right. Friends, here I didn't speak anything against women. Friends, I have told you the friends. So this is very important. So this is very important. So this is very important. Friends, yes, there is no here. Friends,